Black diamonds, also known as Carbonado, are some of the most mysterious and unique diamonds in the world. Unlike traditional clear diamonds, they are opaque, dark, and often appear metallic. Because of their unusual look, many people struggle to identify if what they have is a real black diamond Carbonado or just an imitation. Luckily, there are several simple methods you can try at home to check their authenticity. Here are 8 effective ways. How to 1. Visual inspection. A black diamond is not shiny like a clear diamond. Instead, it appears opaque, with a metallic or graphite-like luster. If the stone is too glossy or looks like polished glass, it's likely not a genuine Carbonado. 2. Surface texture. Real Carbonado often has a rough, porous surface with small pits or natural holes. This rugged look is one of its key identifiers, separating it from smooth synthetic black stones. Have 3. Weight test, heft test. Diamonds are denser than most common minerals. If you hold a black diamond of the same size next to quartz or glass, it should feel noticeably heavier in your hand. 4. Scratch test. Diamonds are the hardest natural substance, ranking 10 on the Mohs scale. A genuine Carbonado can scratch glass, quartz, or steel without getting damaged. If the stone gets scratched easily, it is not real. 5. Heat resistance test. Diamonds can withstand extreme heat. Heat the stone with a lighter for 30 to 40 seconds and then drop it into cold water. A real black diamond will remain unaffected, while glass or quartz will likely crack or shatter. 6. Light reflection test. Unlike clear diamonds, Carbonado does not sparkle with rainbow colors. Instead, it reflects light in a dull, metallic, or grayish way. If the stone gives off colorful rainbow flashes, it is likely a fake. 7. Conductivity test. Black diamonds conduct heat and electricity better than most gemstones. If you have access to a diamond tester or even a multimeter, a real Carbonado will show strong conductivity. 8. Water drop test. Place a drop of water on the surface of the stone. Real diamonds have high surface tension, so the droplet will stay in place. On fake stones, the droplet may spread or slide off quickly. Final thoughts. While these at-home methods can give you strong clues about whether your black diamond Carbonado is real, they are not 100% foolproof. For complete certainty, it's always best to take the stone to a professional gemologist or use specialized testing equipment. Still, with these 8 methods, you can easily spot the difference between a genuine Carbonado and an imitation right at home.